Hello, you all. This tutorial will show you the basics on creating an edge or face. First, set the object interaction mode to edit mode. That displays the object's mesh. Next, select mode should be set to vertex select. When you select two vertices and between the two is a gap, typing the F key will always draw a line called the edge between the two. Select a vertex that is adjacent to a face. Typing the F key will select two adjacent vertices to it following the face, then adds a new face. Or the F key may add a new edge. Notice that it ignores the simple edge. It selects only two adjacent vertices on faces. Select two vertices. Tap the F key until done. In this case, each selects only one adjacent vertex because it has no others to select. If the selected vertex has more than two adjacent vertices to select, it won't know which ones to select and do nothing. Now let's show how the F key works in adding faces in an UV sphere.